nice value because we know so much about the tens and the ones.
Right? So we're going to start always on the left. How do you know that you're approaching those lessons?
The value of the tens and the value of the ones. Great job.
What do you know? This side is this side is now, what if I change it to this? What do I read? I read what is
What? You just forgot one step. We'll talk about it. Okay, turn it over. Now, I want you to tell me what to do. What should I do first? Decompose both numbers. If I decompose the numbers, show me decompose. Decompose. I'm breaking it up. How? Listen. Help me know what to do. What am I going to decompose it into? Like 32. The tens and the ones? So like a 3 and a 2?
Like a 30.
So what is that mathematician word that we say? The
Value.
Okay, so the value of the tens. What is the value of the tens for 30? 30, okay. And what's the value of the ones? Huh, pretty easy. Okay, let's check out 56. What's the value? We're going to decompose. What's the value of the tens? Okay, 50. And what's the value of the ones? 6. Okay.
Okay.
Now we join them together.
Draw them together. Oh, so now I need to put the tens together. Okay, so here's the value of the 10, the value of the 10. So I'm going to write, watch Andrew, 30 plus 50 equals what?
80.
80. And then what?
You do the ones together.
So 2 plus 8. So now what do I do?
Now you join this and this together to make 80.
So 80 plus 8 equals
8.
because that's my sum. Very good. That's my sum. 88.
And I have them if you need that. But I think most of you can show it on your board. Okay? Now you know what I mean.
Now I have to put the sum at the top. Okay. Now, stack your boards. Don't erase. Just stack them. Now, what did we say our target number was? 88. 88. Our target number is 88. So, on this paper that I'm going to give you, we are going to get a chance to write on it. It'll erase. And we're going to roll dice. And we're going to try to get our best. We're going to try and get to 88. But we need to see if that number that we rolled is greater. Show me greater. Greater than the target number. If it's less than the target number. Or if it's equal. And equal means what? The same. Very good. Okay. It could be the same 50 times. I don't know. It just depends on how the dice is rolled. This dice right here only has 1 digit. So can this be the tens place or can this be the ones place? Ones, because the value of the ones place is always like 1 digit, right? And so this green one has 2 digits. So what do you think that is?
One time I was the tens place.
The tens place?
One time she got her own number.
You're right.
Like what?
So this one has to be the tens place because the tens, friends, math. The value of the tens place is always 2 digit, right? Okay, so now let's think. The bigger end will go with what? The greater number or the smaller number?
Greater.
Greater, right? Because hold your hands out, right? Greater, the bigger end of the symbol is always with the bigger number, right? And the smaller part of the symbol is always with the number that's the less, the smaller number, right? So if I am going to have the blank and then my target number. So you're going to have to finish this sentence. Okay? Are you ready? Oh. So this is the tens place. So the value is 30 and then 6. So what would my number be?
36.
So is 36, if I put 36 here, is 36 greater or less than 88? Less. So where is less? Good. The smaller end has to go with my number. Look. Notice whenever we read, close, but let's see. Whenever we read a book, Mavericks, look at me. Whenever we read a book, do we read starting on this side and go this way, or do we read from this side? Is this greater or less? Okay, so which symbol looks like the way we would draw?
Is 9. Yeah, because there's 9 ones
Look,
in
if I
there,
had
right?
my number I rolled
three
right
groups
here.
of 10.
Then where would you write 9? Less than?
Greater than
We're going to be the value of 25, right? So 76 greater than 75.
94, 11.
Good job.
The smallest number is 11. The largest 30. 94. A number 10 less than my new number.
Greater than one number? If it's less than
Was
or what is
a
it?
number less than my new number is 1. A number less than 20.
Let's see.
Number less than 20 is
Between two numbers.
19.
Greater than, less than.
A number greater than 5.
0 is less than.
20 more than my new number is.
Ready?
A number greater than my new number, 20 more than greater than my new number is 21.
That number has more tens than this one.
Stop. Come on, you just messed up. You're supposed to flip-flop your number. And then that's how you play. And if it's greater than, if it's even bigger than your ordinary number that you have, your own number,
We are lightly
you're supposed to write it the largest number. Okay?
I know, that's what I did. That's the largest number.
Okay, like you have 6, you flip-flop it. Now the 0, that way it's 5.
is 90 Very good. It is 2 more. All right.
You know where to place your number? Let's do it. Where would we place 39 on the number line?
The value of the ones place is 7.
Why? Why do you think that? Remember, you have to prove it. Which stem do you want to use?
39
You're so right. Is she right? Do you agree with her? 39 is less than 50. Yeah, awesome. Where does your number go? What is your number, Danny? 83. Wow. Where would 83 belong on this number line? 83. How do you know?
because 83 is greater than 50.
I love how he used his sentence. He was like, which one? And you said, in a math sentence, 83 is greater than 50. Good job. Awesome. Easton, where does your number go? Oh, that was so fast. How did you know? I thought you were going to have a hard time. How do you know?
Because 83, because it's just like, because 83 is bigger, greater than 77, and 7 is after, 7 is less than 8. It's like 7, 8.
Oh, wait. I hear you like, what are you not doing? You're getting confusing yourself. Think of stem. Which stem do you want to use? Okay, so is greater than, what is your number?
83 is greater than 77.
That's why we use those stems, right? Does that help us? Yes, good job. 83.
3 is greater than 77.
Perfect. Good job, Tyler. What about this? I gave you a... How did you know? That was so fast.
Because 105 is greater than 100.
I thought I was going to give him this tricky one, and that was so simple. Tell me again.
105 is greater than 100.
Awesome. Proud of you. That was a hard one. Good job. Jinyan, what is your number? What is your number? Tell us.
Now, wait a second.
Wait. I need you to tell me. What is your number?
Yes, let's have a conversation again. Let's use our hands.
Awesome. 49. Where does 49 belong on the number line?
Right there.
Right next to that. How do you know it's right next to 50? How do you know? Can you use a stand letter?
Good. So,
Okay, you want to use this? Okay, say it for me. What's your number?
does anyone else want to prove to me?
Between. So what comes first? Between.
Why?
What's first?
Greater than 88.
So it's between 39, right? And perfect. Good job. It's between 39 and 50. Easton, is there something that you notice that you want to say? What do we know? It is between those, but what do you notice?
49, 50.
So how many jumps would we make to go from 49?
One.
So it's 1 less than 50. So it should be really, really close. Good job. Awesome, friend. Now, I'm going to do something tricky, okay? I'm going to take 2 of your numbers. Let me see. I'm going to say Tyler's number. What was this number again? Tell me. 105. 105. 105, and I'm going to take 49. I want to compare 105 and 49. Remember where they were on this number line. What symbol goes in the middle? Wait, what do we know? We read from. So I'm reading 105. What? 49. Easton.
105 is
87 is 1 less.
greater.
Finish it.
105 is greater than 49.
Oh. So I'm going to put this out.
7 is 1 less.
And I'm curious. Which symbol do I put right here? You do it. Oh, how did you know? I didn't see you use any dots, any arrows, any tricks. You just knew. How did you know? Tell me.
105 is 3 digit and 49 is a 2 digit.
Oh, well, that's great thinking. So you know if you have a 3-digit number, it's larger than a 2-digit number. Great thinking. But how did you know this was the right symbol to use? I know you said greater than, but sometimes to use the words is really easy. How do we know what symbol? Damien, how did I know?
Because these 2 lines are pointing at this one.
But why? Why do I want the 2 lines, like the open part of that symbol, to go to 105? Why?
Because that means that it's greater than 49.
Oh, so I know when I see these symbols that this is the larger or the greater number, right? So I need the greater or the larger part of the symbol to face that number. You guys are so smart. Let's try a different one. Jinyan, do you know what symbol goes here? Do you think you know? I I bet you do. Can you show me what symbol I would put here? Remember, we had 77 was less than 83 on our number line. That's what you told me. Which one do I need?
Then there's 88. Hold on. 88. 88. Look at 88. 10 4 is like 97.
Okay, so what part of the symbol do we have here? Is that the greater sign or is it the smaller, the less than? This is the smaller sign? Okay, do you agree? Thumbs up if you agree. Oh, Tyler, can you help her?
Yes.
So wait,
Why is this not the smaller side? Tell her. So, Jenya, do your hands like this. Is that big? Do your hands like this. Which one's smaller? Like this or like this? Which one's smaller? This, right? When we do like this, that's opening our hands really big, right? When we put them together, really small. So which one of these numbers is smaller? 77 or 83? Which one's smaller? 77. So you want to look for the sign that gets smaller and points at the smaller number. Can you find that for me? So this symbol has the big part open, right? This one points small. So which one do you want? Do you want this to be the big number or do you want it to be the smaller number? Get it? Here, we'll just slide it up. So can you read this? Good girl is less than 83. So now do you understand that when the symbol points to the smaller part, it needs to point to the smaller number. If it's really big, the big part of the symbol is open, it's going to go to the bigger number. Yeah? Okay, let's try another one.